Hello, Chef Christopher Carey here from Columbia College Culinary Department. Today I'm going to talk about, as a cook, one of the most important aspects of your job is to keep your knife sharp. A sharp knife is essential for a cook. It makes it more efficient. But how do we sharpen the knives? Two ways. First, we're going to sharpen it via the stone. We have a coarse side and a fine side. And then after we sharpen it on the stone, we hone it. And this is the finished edge of our knife. How do we go about doing that? Once our knives get dull as we use it throughout the day, we want to put it onto the stone. Coarse first, fine always second. You're going to place the knife on the stone at about a 22-degree angle. How do you find the 22-degree angle? Well, this is the 90. Half that is 45. Half of the 45 is about 22. When we go to sharpen it, we push the knife forward and then we drag it back with less pressure. And that is what begins to sharpen our knife. So we push forward, pull back gently. You then work your way through your entire knife, little section by little section. I have a large knife. I usually do 3 sections. The knife is small, you can do 2. If it's very small, like your paring knife, you may only have to do 1 section. You then turn the knife over and proceed exactly the same on the other side. Once you have completed both sides and you're happy with the way that it is sharp, we then go to hone the knife. Honing the knife with our steel allows us to realign the very cutting edge of the knife. And again, very simply, we push away from ourselves at that 22-degree mark. Or if you want to be safer, you can go vertical. That keeps our knife nice and sharp. A sharp knife is a safe knife and it's a more effective knife. Keep your knives sharp.